Hello everybody, welcome to the video lectures on mechanics of materials. I am Mr. Sukishan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SDM Institute of Technology, Ujjire. These lectures are prepared based on Visvesvaraya Technological University syllabus, which is mentioned on the screen. As you can see, choice-based credit system (CBSCS). This is taught in the third semester. The course code is 17 ME34. Lecture hours is 50. When it is taught in the normal chalk and talk method. The examination details are also given there. Course outcomes. The student who is going through this syllabus will be able to learn the following objectives. Classify the stresses into various categories and define elastic properties of materials and compute stress and strain intensities caused by applied loads in simple and compound sections as well as when the temperature changes occur. The student will be able to derive the equations of principal stress, maximum in plane shear stress, and calculate their magnitude and direction. And he will be able to draw more circle for plane stress system and interpret this circle. Along with this, there are few more objectives. Determine the shear force, bending moment, and draw SFD BMD, and describe the behavior of beams under lateral loads. Explain the structural behavior of members subjected to torque, calculated twist, and stress induced subjected to bending and torsion. Understand the concept of stability and derive crippling load for columns. Understand the concept of energy and compute strain for applied loads. These are the outcomes which is expected after going through this course. Let me go through the syllabus. There are 5 modules. In the module 1, stress and strain, introduction, Hooke's law, calculation of a stress and strain in various sections as mentioned in the syllabus, like straight sections, tapered sections, composite sections, stresses due to temperature changes, shear stress, lateral strain and Poisson's ratio, generalized Hooke's law, bulk modulus and relationship between elastic constants. This is the module 1. Module 2, analysis of stress and strain. Again, plane stress, stresses on inclined planes, principal stresses and maximum shear stress, principal angles, shear stresses on principal planes, maximum shear stress in various planes, and more circle for a plane stress condition. This is module 2. Module 2 also covers cylinders, thin and thick cylinders, and stresses induced when the pressure is applied on the circumferential of the cylinder. Module 3 includes the shear force and bending moment diagrams, calculation of that, as well as drawing of shear force and bending moment diagram for various lateral loads. Stresses in beams, that is also covered in module 3. Similarly, in module 4, torsion, the twist and the stress induced in a shaft is been calculated, and columns, buckling and stability is taught in module 4. And in module 5, strain energy, the Castellanos theorem 1 and 2, load deformation diagram, strain energy due to normal stress, shear stress, modulus of resilience These are the topics which are, and theories of failure. These are the things covered in module 5. And uh, the textbooks for this: James M. Gary, Barry, and it is a Strength of Materials and Indian edition 2009 version. And textbook for Strength of Materials by R. Subramaniam, S.S. Ratan, B. Johnston. So these are the textbooks followed. Other than that, uh, there are so many other textbooks which are local author textbooks as well. Probably students can refer. So this is about the course outcomes and the syllabus of mechanics of materials. Once again, I welcome you all for the mechanics of materials series of lectures. Thank you.